Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato broccoli soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 1 pound of fresh broccoli, 1 onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth on hand. This simple preparation ensures you have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build the flavor foundation. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and sauté it until it becomes translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant. This step is crucial for a delicious soup base. Next, it's time for the potatoes. Add your 2 pounds of peeled and diced potatoes to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender when pierced with a fork. Finally, let's finish our soup. Stir in the 1 pound of chopped broccoli florets and cook for about 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. For a creamy texture, carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender or by transferring it to a regular blender. Return it to the pot, season with salt and pepper, and serve warm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.